Raja from India Book of Records. Welcome to you all for this event. Aadharshini, we're going to make a new record. This is inaugural category. None in this world has attempted this record. She's the first one in the world who is going to make this record. So, fastest to assemble and dismantle a laptop, which is going to enter under the kids category of India Book of Records 2014. This attempt must be done by an individual. The claimant has to switch on the laptop completely before the attempt begins. We only accept the working models. The individual has to first dismantle a laptop and then assemble the same within the minimum time. During the process of dismantling and assembling the parts of the laptop, the claimant must take care that none of the parts of the laptop is damaged. The claimant has to dismantle all the parts of the laptop: hard disk, optical drive, hinge cover, keyboard, LCD screen, camera, battery, and palm rest. After assembling has been done, the claimant has to switch on the power mode of the laptop to show the laptop is working, including all the ports. Got it? During assembling, the screws should be fixed approximately. A doctor must be present, but though I'm here, it is not required. So I think it's a time to start the event. So let's give a grand applause and encourage Aadharshini to start the event. Time starts now. It's 3, 2, 1. Go! Video camera, please, close-up shot, please. Assembled and dismantled a laptop within 15 minutes and 23 seconds, which is officially confirmed now, and which is going to enter the India Book of Records 2014.
Good evening. I thank everybody for supporting and encouraging me throughout this attempt. I wish to thank my dad, mom, my grandparents, and my trainer for making me do the record attempt successfully.